Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
what's up?
So today we are in Padma Legyan, world famous Padma Legyan, actually just next to the hotel, not paid endorsement for them, but it's characteristic place for this area of Bali. It's beautiful sunny day, it's quite hot like always nowadays, and yeah, we will explore a little bit area and we will see how's life today.
So we've got so many requests, email and asking, how is it Legian nowadays? You know, is the beach open? And then is Erika maybe open? You know, the warungs on the beach is open and everything. And then I know that most of our viewers also used to stay in this area, you know, like Padma Legian, Bali Mandira, at this beach area. Even that the surfers just yeah, they're just surfing happily. So happy, lucky day that Erika is open. Woo, look at the
Yo,
doggo.
what's up, doggos? This is the famous Erika Warung,
Ibu.
our friend. Yo, what's up, doggo? She have a lot of dogs.
She has lots of dogs.
Cheers,
Cheers,
guys. We are
guys.
in the Erika Warung today. She's already back to business. Unfortunately, no singing guy today in Legian. Maybe next time.
So yeah, when I arrived here, I asked her, when did you open, you know? And then yeah, she just explained she started to open yesterday. And then I think that nowadays slowly small businesses on the beach is back to normal. And then you see that behind me. And also people are going back to the beach, you know, enjoying the beach, chilling. And the kids before we saw they are surfing. And also the kids over there.
Seems like Sayang is trying to fly the kite. Honey, you took the kite from the boy actually.
I borrowed the kite from him. Look, my guys. Look, you have such a beautiful shirt. Lagyan boys. May luwang di shirt na guys. Whoa. Look at the sky, the beautiful sky, and then I fly the kite here. So
Which
as
one?
you see that nowadays life in Legian. Okay, so I've got one interesting email from someone. I forgot your name. And then she just asked me, you know, about what do you think about the future of Bali regarding the tourism and everything? As we know that Indonesia consists of 17,000 islands, and nowadays the population is around 275 million. And Bali, the island, with the nowadays 75 or 80% that people already got vaccinated. Imagine that Indonesia, with the 275 million people, the population, and then 60 until 70% from 275 million people has to be vaccinated. So it means that it is a very huge homework from the president to make it happen, to make it get vaccinated. And then if the government already reached the target of the 60 until 70% from all the population, I think that all life in Indonesia will be back to normal like before.
So we are just after the Bintang in Erika Warung. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset. I hope so. There are some people around also, as you see. Not so busy, but some people, there are some warungs also open around. So that's how it looks there. Hopefully the life in Legian today.
I talked to Erika before, and then what did she do, you know, during the PPKM is about 1 month and half, like more than half. So yeah, and then I asked, did you get any help from government or any, you know, donation or something that to help you financially? And yeah, she said that she don't even get any help from the Banjar, and even any cent that she didn't get anything. She only get help from her friends around, and yeah, she has to really use her money wisely so she can survive. So nowadays she and other friends here in Legian, you see, like people there just doing sport and open the warung. they slowly open. They have to open because they don't have any help from the government. This is so sad.
As Winnie said, so Erika was at home for 1.5 months, something like that around. But meanwhile, the hotels, like neighbor hotel, which is Padma, just opposite her Warung, was open all the time actually, because the hotels was never closed. They was operating as usual. Of course, maybe there was more quiet, because obviously it's very quiet right now in Bali everywhere. But they can still operate, but she has to stay home and doing nothing, which is actually pretty sad. And like as many owners, business owners around, it's like hundreds maybe in Legian, Kuta, around beach, right?
Yeah.
It's like hundreds of small warungs, and yeah, that's how it looks. The kind of sad reality right now.
So yeah, when I speak to her, like, yeah, and then we both agree that if they close the beach and close the warung, but the people still going to the beach, enjoying the sunset, and so what's the point to the close to the beach, but the people still going to the beach? And you know why the warung has to close? And the warung sellers, I mean the owners of the warung, they didn't have any income, and then they didn't have any help from the government. Meanwhile, the restaurant, what is it called? The restaurant next to the beach, I mean there, the beach club or other places, a big restaurant with a big chain restaurant, they can open. Why this small warung owned by the locals cannot be open?
So the guys,
Oh
they
dear,
playing
the dog
here,
got
but
the balls.
he grabbed the ball. So that's epic. He have to catch
dear.
him now. That's not easy. All right. Doggo is happy. The owners are happy. Everybody are happy. That's good. That's good. Very good. And still no luck. Meanwhile, enjoy the beautiful sunset in Bali, in Legian right now. It's really beautiful, actually, colors of the sky. And this is the natural colors, not photoshopped or anything. It's really beautiful. And there are some people enjoying their walk on the beach. And here are also some kids playing football, which is very beautiful. I'm always happy when I see the people doing any kind of activities and sports on the beach, because, well, nowadays kids, especially playing FIFA on PlayStation, more likely not really football on the beach or in the soccer field, so it's always nice to see.
Okay guys, if you see from the further, that's the Seminyak 66 actually, and I can see that from here all the umbrellas on the beach is already, you know, back to normal. And then when I spoke to Erika, and then she also said that 66 is already back to normal. I mean, like all the sellers already, you know, back on the beach, and they already selling the drinks and everything on the beach. So why I cannot? So yeah, that's why now they slowly, bit by bit, the sellers in the Padma Legian area is open.
All right, so that's how it looks, the situation in Legian Padma. We got actually also the request to show you again the Legian situation. So here we go. You can comment below what do you think about your own personal thoughts about the current situation in Legian. And I think next time we're gonna go to 66 Seminyak.
I think that's all our video today, guys, from Padma Legian area. And it's beautiful sunset behind me. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.